Put some more power. Go, go, go. Right hand up shift. Stay on it, stay on it, stay on it.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for you. Pull the trigger.
Maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for you.
What is happening, guys? And thank you for tuning into another video. Rush here. In today's video, we're gonna do something rather exciting, possibly. I'm not 100% sure yet, but from the looks of it, I might get to drive my dream car today. And I'm not gonna tell you what it is, I'm just gonna show you guys. So first, we're making a 1-hour drive, kind of far out there towards LA from like Orange County where I live. So I'm gonna take you along for the ride. It's gonna be rather interesting, and we're taking the daily. So here she is, all ready to go, gassed up, and we're cruising on the freeway today, right over. But check out this R8 chilling right here. Convertible and everything, man. R8 Spider, this thing is nice. Alrighty guys, we are almost here. Or we are here pretty much. Auto Club Speedway. I believe this is in Fontana. It's definitely a warm day outside here. Currently 91 degrees, guys, so it's feeling the heat. Even though we have the AC on in the car, it definitely feels a lot warmer. So I'm pretty pumped. This is gonna be a rather exciting day. Clear skies, and I hope they let me record the whole experience for you guys. Hi, how are you? We're here for the exotic racing.
First gate on the right.
Thank you, sir.
Have a great time.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Let's see what we have here.
The ultimate racing experience.
Can you sprint inside of here, please?
Alrighty guys, we made it. We're here, checking out the cars now. We're gonna do our class before we get on the track and do some discovery laps in a Porsche, I believe. So pretty pumped for this. They have a hellcat right here.
We're going to go over a lot of things today. We're going to go over how to become fast. So has anybody here been on a racetrack?
Okay guys, I was supposed to take a ride in the 458 Italia, but apparently I just got upgraded to the 488, so it's even better. I'm super excited now, as if I wasn't before already. So there's the 458 going out.
Bring it in. Start to unwind it to the right. Squeeze that throttle. Hold that right side. Stay right, stay right. Good job. Just like last time. Brake. Stay to the right, stay to the right, stay to the right. Now bringing it in, clip left. Holding that left side. Stay to the left. All the way. More, more, more. Then bring it over to the right. There you go. Unwind. Start to squeeze, 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 squeeze. All the way down, full throttle. Right hand up, shift. Stay on it, stay on it. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Now brake. Left hand down, shift. Bring it in. Flip left. You're looking at that exit cone. Stay to the right, stay right, stay right. Hard brake here. Brake. More, 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 more. Stay right. You're looking left, turning it in. Start to unwind it to the right. Squeeze that throttle. Yeah, there you go. Left hand side. Keep going. More, more, more. Brake. Feel that nose drop. Set it. Bring it in. Over to the left. Get close to the left. More, more left, more left. There you go. Light brake. Release. Turn in, clip right. Squeeze that throttle all the way through those cones. Give me a good hard brake and we are done. Good job.
Alrighty guys, wrapped up my few laps. Now I have some time to go ahead and talk to you guys. And I want to talk about literally the experience itself, how it was driving a Ferrari for the first time, which happens to be my one of my dream cars pretty much. The 488, so I was planning to drive the 458, which is a V8, but the 488 is a V8 that has turbos in it. And they're drifting a hellcat right now for the drift experience at Exotics Racing here. But the 488, man, that thing is a beast. Definitely when those turbos kick in on the straightaways, it just unbelievable, really. There's really no acceleration I've felt like that, and it really just takes off, and it just handles the corner so well. You literally put it wherever you want and the car just kind of follows. You know, they told me that the Ferrari is a little more hands-on versus Lamborghini, a little less forgiving. Lamborghini can kind of mess up and it'll just keep you going where you want to go, whereas the Ferrari is a little more into it, so that's why I chose to go with the Ferraris. And I just love the sound, man. The sound was amazing. Overall, just a great experience. I really could not have wanted anything better than to be able to drive on a track like this in an exotic as fast as I wanted to. The instructors were actually really cool about pushing you to go faster, and that is something I was kind of surprised. I thought they would be like trying to tell you to slow down, but my instructor was yelling at me to go harder on the gas and kind of floor it a little more and really enjoy the experience. So overall, it was a beautiful, beautiful experience. Definitely hope to do it again.